reminds me of when I was 17. We would walk by the frozen creek, exchanging looks and more secret things. But now there's nothing but memories between us, a space of 1,000 seas between us, the thread of unraveled dreams and broken seams between us, between us. Nothing but memories between us, between us. Nothing here left to see between us, between us. Nothing more left to be between us, between us. I've been lost. The fog in my mind fills up the space that you left behind. I'm reaching and searching, still loneliness lurking. I'm yearning to turn back the time. But if I went back, would it be much different? We were both so young, never knew how to listen. But if I knew what I know now, I would take the chance to satisfy my need to know